Can I have a Reese's? No, they say. We have Reese's at home, they say. Well, these are the Reese's at home, and I'm not afraid to take Reese's down a peg or two. Nah, honestly, I'm still gonna eat Reese's. But here's the thing, there's a lot of waste. You get a lot of plastic and aluminum foil there that's just kind of thrown away. And my peanut butter cups are quite elevated. Not to mention, I used up the rest of my leftovers from my s'mores and Rice Krispies videos, so that's economical and environmentally friendly. You're welcome, bees. In scientific terms, these are actually bonbons, which in French translates to that good. And what's gooder than melting a stick of butter and mixing it with a cup of crunchy peanut butter and a splash of vanilla?
Nothing that has meaning.
Oh hey TV's Michael Caine, I didn't see you there. But I agree, nothing is better than that. I guess if you can't eat peanuts or their byproducts, you could hypothetically do this with Biscoff cookie butter, but it's not the same. Wait, no, actually that sounds amazing. Why am I not doing that?
David, do you know that the harder thing to do and the right thing to do are usually the same thing?
Okay, Michael, it's a little bit preachy, but fine. Plus, I did already have the peanut butter. Anyway, once that's done, we're mixing in 4 cups of Rice Krispies, which polishes off the box after I did my Rice Krispie treat video. Then, from the s'mores video, we're gonna add about 3 cups of powdered sugar. Mix those together until a mass has formed, and we roll into peanut butter cup shapes. Hey Michael, how many do you think I can go until I get bored and just make balls?
5.
Well, I'm already getting tired.
4.
What do you mean? Look, I've already got 6 done.
5.
Forget it, I'm bored. I did 8 though, so deal with it. Once those are done, they need to firm up in the fridge before we dip them in the tempered chocolate, so let them rest in there for 30 or so minutes. What do you think, Michael?
Yes, we get the gist of it.
Okay, wow, someone's cranky. Anyway, I'm gonna try out a supposedly easy, quick method for tempering chocolate, which is terrifying to me, but supposedly this is idiot-proof. And we're using nothing but chocolate, a microwave, and a bunch of other stuff. We're gonna microwave 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips for 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between until they are fully melted and swirly. I like to keep a thermometer on hand because you don't want your temperature to go too crazy or it's not gonna temper right. You're looking for no hotter than 120 Fahrenheit.
Some men just want to watch the world burn.
We all know, Michael, give it a rest. Next up, we're gonna get this bowl of chocolate in a bowl, but this one's gonna have ice in it to let it chill down to 85 degrees Fahrenheit while we continue to stir. This is the ideal coating and rolling temperature. In a dream scenario, once hardened, these chocolates will not melt between your fingies. Your mileage may vary though. We're gonna get these little devils coated. You know what would be good? Tempering some good high-quality Dutch chocolate.
There are only 2 things I can't stand in this world. People who are intolerant of other people's cultures and the Dutch.
All right, Michael, this isn't a free forum for you to project your opinions. But the homemade PB cups do look great. Most of them, anyway. If you think it's gonna save time to dump them all in at once and roll them around, this is what happens. Rough, I know. Don't make my mistakes. I think these came out all right in the end, eh, Michael?
Everything is done for you. Everything. To help you do it right.
I tried! Okay, well, thanks for watching A Cooking Thing. Tune in next time. Michael Caine is not allowed back. What's your favorite Michael Caine quote? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time. My script says to do a Michael Caine impression, but I feel like I'm tapped out.